How to generate reports in Xero. Need to generate reports in Xero? Here's the quick step-by-step guide to profit and loss, balance sheet, and more. So from your dashboard, go ahead and head over into the reporting tab. So from here, go ahead and select all reports and you'll find all types of reports you can find on Xero. So you can go ahead and set to favorite the profit and loss and sales tax report and then select the other reports that you want to view. So in here, you can go ahead and click profit and loss and then choose the date range such as monthly or quarterly. Xero calculates your income minus expenses to show net profit. Now, if you want to view your balance sheet, head back into that section and then go ahead and look for balance sheet into this section. Click on it and then select the reporting date. Xero displays assets, liabilities, and equity, your business financial position. So you can also generate cash flow, age receivables, and age payables reports to track liquidity and outstanding invoices. You can customize reports by tracking categories, compare periods, or export to PDF or Excel for sharing. Export reports for your accountant or team. In supported regions, you can also use them for tax filings. Generating reports in Xero is fast and accurate. Just select, customize, and export.